Alright guys, so the beautiful Amanda got me for Christmas brake caliper covers, and they say ST and they're actually pretty sweet. So we're going to install those today, and if you like the way they look and you're thinking about picking up a pair yourself, then this is the video for you. That thing is hideous. That one's gross. Let's take a look at what it's gonna look like that we have to figure out how to install. But this is what it's going to look like. Let's get stepping. And then this slides in right there, like so. And then the caliper cover slides up in there, like that. And then voila! It's on there, and then you do the same on the bottom, so. It rotates without any interference, so I guess that means it's good to go. And you just tighten the piss out of them and hope they don't ever come off. If that'll work. Oh yeah. I didn't realize that there was that much clearance. But look at that. Plenty of clearance. If we go to a smaller rim, then it'll be a little bit different, but it looks pretty good. Can't complain, definitely, but it looks better than that other crap. That the rears install exactly the same as the fronts. So I'll show you that. So on the back, these don't just slide in, they have an actual stopping point. So that's good. So I'm going to set them both to all the way wide, as wide as they can go. And then it's going to slide in right here. not bad. What's in here? Oh. Okay, so this one we have to unscrew. This part has to go on beforehand, I guess. And it's a bitch, for sure. I'm gonna have to hammer it on with our handy dandy hammer. Huh. Maybe not. Oh, there we go. Good in there. No clearance issue, thank gosh. And then we're just gonna have to stretch this bad boy on there like so. And put the screw on. Nut, screw, whatever. There we go. And now all we gotta do is put all the rims and tires back on.